Hey guys, this is the Blockologist. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I haven't really been queuing much, but I happen to have a $6 gift card to Cube Depot lying around, and I forgot to announce my 300 subscriber giveaway, so I'm just going to give this away, just the gift card. But this is my cube collection right now. I have the 2x2x3, the magnetic vault, the magnetic cube, 7x7, the SM, the bell pyramix, the Waylong V1, the Zinghen magnetic 2x2, Wuchwei magnetic GTS. This is the Wushuang. This is the MF3RS stickless, and this is just a cutter cube. That I made. So yeah, basically to enter the giveaway, you're just going to have to like this video, subscribe to me, and comment only once. So just once, and anyways, thanks for watching, and bye.